Okay, so today, guys, we are going to be playing the YouTubers on Mistakes new game, Catch a Fridge. So yeah, let's get right into it. I played this game before and I'm pretty good at it. And we're going to try to get 100,000 speed. So yeah. I died. It's okay. If you guys didn't play this game before, make sure to go check it out. It's really fun. Basically, just eat fishes. No, not eat them, but like open them and get fatter than you. So you're fat for speed, I guess. I have 88,000 speed. I don't know if you can see it at the bottom right there. One's like 9. Fuel join. I thought he would. It's like 10,000 flat. That's like where my speed at. And guys, the game is called Catch a Fridge. If I didn't tell you that yet. I'm like too fast for this. And guys, I do know a secret glitch to get past the level 4, because I don't know if you can see there, like past it, there's some other stuff that I'm going to be showing you guys later in the video. Okay. Oh, he's really weird. Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro. Who is this dude? Somehow I didn't have that, guys. Bruh. I'm doing that for this game, bro. Dude. Oh, guys. I'm probably not going to have it. Alright, we're at 10,000 flat. Let's go back and now sell that. But we are so close. We just need 2,000 more fat. Then I'll show you guys the secret to which I can see the thing. Also, make sure all like and subscribe. Live streams are going to come up soon once I get a laptop. But we have way more than enough. Okay guys, so we just hit, we have 1,002. So now I'm going to show you the cool secret. You can kind of like glitch onto here, you have to run jump. And then like a boost you up there. And then you can fly through all over the levels. And yeah. I'm going to try and do it for you guys right now. I don't know if they patched this yet. Guys, please do not tell Steak or any of the owners this. Come on, bruh. Why is this not working? Normally I would get by now, but did they seriously patch it? I do not think they patched it, but oh my god, bro. No, it does not work. The thing is like really bouncy. Even though it doesn't really look bouncy, but it's like your legs like have to go like on top with if it look at that, guys. These somehow just go like so then we can just like keep going over. Dang it, we did not make it. Oh, but why is this like not working? Oh, okay, guys, we're there. Oh, where are we? Dang it, we just died. Dang it. Like, it's hard to see like where you're going. Okay, we missed it. Oh my god, that was such a great map. It's like a keyboard thing. You can see in. Oh, I don't know how we're so good at this. I might be a little bit too far. Oh. Come on. We made. What's up? Oh. There was new stuff there. There was new stuff there. Okay. Oh my god, bro. We just keep making this thing. I'm actually good at this. Oh. No, we missed it. I double get up there again. I'm gonna go up with check. Okay, my fingers. There. Come on, bro. I try to find this outfit, but we try to do this for ourselves. It's really cool. Guys, but please do not touch take this. Oh, okay, we missed it. It's not. Oh, wait, oh. Can we somehow smash through here? Nope. Okay. Guys, here we are. Here. Nah, bro, they definitely did a lot of cool stuff here. Trying to complete it. Dang it, wrong guy. Alright. Well, anyways, guys, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.